Start by noticing your current level of relaxation. So if 0 being completely relaxed and 10 being I'm anxious and angry. And then we're going to take either a folded blanket or a pillow, and you're going to lie down over it at the base of your ribs, right along the level of your diaphragm. So obviously, if you're pregnant, you're not going to do this exercise. Your vagus nerve innervates your diaphragm, and so when you lie over the bolster like this, it just stimulates you to take some longer exhalations, which slows down your breathing and stimulates a relaxation response. So let's take a few breaths here. And then you can come on up again and just notice, is my, hopefully you didn't start at 0, but is it lower, or have I gone into the negative numbers, or have I come down from that 10, anxious and angry, a little bit? Check in with your breathing, notice if it's deeper, if the exhalation is longer. That way you've stimulated the vagus nerve, which innervates, which runs through the diaphragm, and slowing down your breathing is really helpful. So your vagus nerve is connected to the vocal cords at the back of your throat. So singing, chanting, gargling, sounding, all of these things are great to activate your vagus nerve and stimulate a relaxation response. Now, if you hear that and kind of freak out like I do, because you might have grown up in a home where, like I did, where expressing yourself wasn't exactly encouraged, then I have a great idea for you. So this is what I'm going to call sounding for introverts. You don't have to do it loud. You can whisper your sounds. And the other thing that we're going to do, I learned this at Esther Meyer's yoga studio. You're going to roll down into a forward fold, so you can be very introverted in your sounding as you make the sounds. And we're just going to sound the vowels. So you're going to inhale and exhale, make the sound A. A. And inhale up. And then exhale and make the sound E. E. Inhale up. And exhale, make the sound I. I. And inhale up. Exhale, make the sound O. O. Inhale up, and then exhale, make the sound U. U. So your vagus nerve passes through your neck. If you have a stiff neck, then it can compress the vagus nerve and cause, tension that leads to a sympathetic nervous system response like anger and anxiety, and keeps you from being relaxed. So if you rotate your shoulders forward, rotate your shoulders back while turning your head from side to side, this can relieve some compression in the vagus nerve and help to stimulate that relaxation response. The most important thing for eventual vagus activation is healthy and safe connection.